Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Let's have a look on it how to create custom audience in Google Analytics 4. To create a custom audience, for example, you have an e-commerce website, you would like to target or retarget the people, those who visited your website last 7 days but didn't make any purchase. In that case, click on admin, then navigate to audience, then click on new audience. From new audience, create a custom audience. Right. From there, the view item. All right. So if you would like to over 30 days or 7 days, whatever you want. For example, item views 3.2k visitors. From there, we would like to exclude those who made purchase. Right. Purchase in apps or purchase. All right, so here out of a 3k audience, 267 already made purchase, so we are excluding them from our target. So you could do it a temporary, for example, for 7 days, or you can exclude them permanently, so that you can target all the time 7 days visitors, those who never made purchase. Then put a name, view item, save it. Thank you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave comments. Thank you.